Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, and to this small blog. I decided to do a little blog today to show you some of the projects I'm working on. It's been a while since I posted a blog. I've been posting tons of little short and a few tutorials, netted tutorial that already have a complaint that I'm netting too much and no crocheting. But some of you guys know that I love netting for winter and crochet for summer because the pieces for summertime and crochet, they look amazing. And the netted pieces for winter time, they look fabulous. Like this gorgeous poncho that I'm wearing, that I already have the tutorial in the channel. I did this like 5 years ago, and it's been a while since I put it on. I just found it in my closet, and then I decided to put it on for this blog because I absolutely love it. I forgot how beautiful it looked. I made 3. I remember I did this one, a purple one that I gave away, and a lighter with a medium 4 yarn that I still have somewhere in a box. I had to take it out for the summer, and this one. But I absolutely love it. This is done with bulky 5 yarn, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's done with circular needle. You cast down your stitches, and then you do the 2x2 rib, and then you do some netting, and then some stitches here that you had to do to drop stitches. All these is drop stitches. From here down are drop stitches. So I do recommend, if you're gonna do this, that I'm gonna leave the link here. If you don't see this tutorial, if you're new in the channel and you don't see this tutorial, I'm gonna leave the link because they are easy to do and they look absolutely gorgeous. You can make this for the summer as well with cotton yarn. It will look amazing. But I really recommend, if you're gonna do this, not to have from this part down any knot in between a different ball of yarn. I recommend, if you have the same yarn that I use for this, that was the Loops and Thread Charisma, I think it is, to use one ball for this, and before you start in here, you change to a new one. That way you don't have any, because if you drop some stitches, you will have a knot in one of these beautiful open work, and it look better if you don't have any seam in this part in here. So I really recommend that. And in the lower part, I did some Solomon knot stitch crochet, and look how gorgeous they look, like little flowers. They look amazing. I absolutely love it. I have a black and white yarn there that I probably will do one like this because I absolutely love it. I just wanted to mention that if you don't see in this tutorial, I will leave the link here. I have tons of beautiful ponchos done that you can do, you know, to keep warm. So that's why I like to knit for the winter and crochet for the summer, because you can do some beautiful lace work for the summertime. And, somebody said that my blogs are boring. So if you want a little bit of action, you will have to go to somewhere else, because my life is quite quiet, and just record a little bit of my exercise of when I go to Cuba, when I have something to recommend, or when I'm doing a project that I want you guys to see, or when I want to share some of you guys' projects. That's something else that I want to mention. If you want me to share any of my projects that you've done, you can send me the picture and I will share it here. You will see the pictures, and I will write your name, because I don't want to pronounce somebody's name and then I made a mistake and then pronounce it wrong, because with my Spanish accent, it's really difficult to do the proper pronunciation of the word. Even when I'm talking, sometimes I watch my blogs and I listen to myself. I say, but I didn't pronounce that right. Even that I think in that moment I'm pronouncing it right, when I listen to myself, I know I I pronounce it a little bit wrong, but that's my strong Spanish accent, my Cuban accent. It's like that. I always try my best to speak as clear as I can, that way you guys can understand. So if anybody want more action in a blog, they have to go somewhere else, because mines are like this, just talking about crochet, netting, and here and there my exercises and that stuff. So I want to show you, I'm working in this beautiful brook lace motif. I'm planning to do a table top a circular tabletop. I don't want to do it too big because I don't have a circular table. I just have a small square table, and then I will do it for that one. But if you have a big circular table, you can do this bigger. This will be for the center motif of the piece. Look how gorgeous that look. They look amazing. I already have the tutorial on this. I'm going to leave the link here if you want to do this project that I'm going to do very soon. I recommend to do this piece, that way you are ready to work and you can do a few more center, not this border, because as we do this, we're going to be attaching to other ones. So this is going to be for the center if you decide to do that. And I think next Wednesday, or the Wednesday after, I will be publishing this. It's for a top like this. Look how gorgeous that look. And I have this one too for two different projects. This is Brook Lace. I absolutely love Brook Lace because I find they look very lacy, very delicate. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how this looks, and super easy to do. It's the same type of yarn and the same type of crochet that I'm doing for this. So I will leave the link for this in here, just in case you guys want to go ahead and do a few of these center and one of these completely like that. Okay, because my plan is to do this for the center, and you see this strip of Brook Lace that we have here, it will be this strip of Brook Lace that we have here, and then from there I will start working with this and then do this, and after this what I'm planning to do is put some of these around like that. Well, not with these two color, but with this one, if you know what I mean, like that. And then after that I will continue with more like this to give it more length. That's my plan. Maybe I change my mind as I go, because you know, at the same time I'm recording, I'm designing, and my mind is going miles per hour, and then is how I create my pieces. I change my mind when I'm doing something, and then I change it. So I always recommend, if you see one of my tutorial and you want to make it, watch the video all the way to the end. That way you can see if I do any changes, because sometimes I say I do this, and at the end I say no, let's do this, that way it fits better, it look better. Like this crochet blouse that I have here, and I have already the tutorial. I had to probably this Wednesday will come out. I did this. It's a little big on me, but it look really nice. If you want to make this longer, you can do this longer just by this square here, this half a square. What you do full squares, and then you continue doing full square, and at the end, when you have the length that you want, even a dress, you will do this half a square and then even the lower part, and look really, really nice. So I already edited this tutorial. I'm going to be published very soon, and this one I edit as well, and going to be published very soon. I like to publish the tutorials on Wednesday. That way everybody know Wednesday is the day I have them in the channel. So that's why I like to knit for the winter and crochet for the summer, because you can create gorgeous stuff. So I had tons of tutorials on the channel of crochet for winter as well. I have sweater, I have ponchos, I have hats, I have mittens, I have scarves. So it's not like I don't do those projects for cardigans. I don't do those projects for the winter. I do, but I prefer crochet for the summer and knit for the winter. But that's my preference. And I'm working, I showed already this a few times before, but this is the progress that I have right now. I was planning to do a knitted blouse, and I started watching TV and working in the piece. And I just, when I'm not doing any project, and then I grab this and do a few rows. It's the repetition of 2 rows, but what makes this piece so beautiful is the color combination. Look how gorgeous this looks. And it's the repetition of 2 rows. You see here I have 2 rows in white. That's why the little thin white line. And here I have 4 in this color and 4. You see, only the white have 2 rows and the other ones is 4, 2 repetition. And look how gorgeous that looks. And then I decided, since I was going to do a dress or a bikini cover up, I did some more with the repetition, just with the white, and then I did a 1 by 1 rep, and then I did some eyelets here to pass a eye core, and that will be sewn like this, and this gather here on the top, and will look amazing. You can make beautiful stuff for the summertime with net, but it take a little bit longer because the stitches are smaller than crochet. But this is absolutely gorgeous. This will make a beautiful baby blanket like that. Amazing. Very light, very gorgeous. So as you see, I love netting, I love crochet, I love them both. So I'll continue working on this brook lace motif, but I don't want to finish all the way because I still have to leave some space for me to attach this to the next motif. I'm just getting a little bit ahead this. Probably I will finish and I leave a tail, and what I do, I don't lose the tail or anything, and when it's time to attach this one to the next project, I just undo a few and then I attach it right there, and that's probably what I'm gonna do with all of them, maybe to get ahead. So let's see what happens. So I hope you guys like my tutorials and my small video blogs. I hope you don't find boring like that person did. I don't, that don't bother me. That's the one person opinion in almost 800,000 that I have subscribed in the channel. So I will continue working on this, and I will have tons of projects. I have tons of ideas, tons of projects. So let's see what I can come up with. Well, I hope you guys like my videos and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and share my video with friends and family and in groups. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.